welcome His Excellency Dr. K. Rosaiah, Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu, and all other invitees who have assembled here. I now invite Dr. T.G. Shivaranjani, Director Operations and Finance, to deliver the welcome address. Dr. T.G. Shivaranjani is a fertility consultant and gynecologist with 9 years of experience. She has had special training in Singapore for...
Who has instantly agreed to grace the occasion. Today is an emotional day for me as it marks the 13th anniversary of the departure of a great soul, a honest, sincere and hard-working humanitarian, my loving mother, Dr. Kamakshi Sundari. Today is a vibrant day for me as Dr. Kamakshi
have been fortunate enough to be backed by a very motivated and dedicated team
The suffering of Dr. Kamakshi Sundari and the agony gone through by the family in her loss due to cancer has initiated our chairman Dr. T.G. Govindarajan to start a center in Pali.
Associated with the activities of the Kamakshi Memorial Hospital in general and for this function in particular, let me convey my heartfelt thanks for the Chairman Managing Director for this opportunity and responsibility to me.
For the inauguration of the Prana Fertility Clinic, the NICU and the PICU of our hospital. Your Excellency, the Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu, it is with deep gratitude that I thank you for being with us to inaugurate our new milestones. We are honored to have you in our midst, and Dr. KMH will forever mark your presence here with us on this day that I shall henceforth call the Cancer Prevention and Health Appreciation Day in the memory of my wife, Dr. Kamakshi Sundari. We lost Dr. Kamakshi Sundari 13 years ago.
We now request our Chief Guest of Tamil Nadu to give a special address.
It is high time that awareness is created among the people, especially among the youth, on the dangers of using tobacco and porn, sensitizing them through advertisements, pictorial warning, banning smoking in public places, and sale of gutkha will help to reduce the increase in incidents of cancer caused due to tobacco. Joint and concerted efforts have to be taken to curtail the increase of incidents of cancer. I congratulate the initiatives taken by Dr. T.G. Govindarajan to establish a hospital capable of delivering medical care on par with international standards. I am happy to learn that patients from Oman, Nigeria, Iraq, UAE, Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait, Kenya, Australia and USA are coming to Dr. Kamakshi Memorial Hospital for treatment. This showcases the quality health care provided by it. It's a pleasure to open the new special block designed to accommodate 150 beds, housing latest technologies and exclusive wards to treat patients suffering from leukemia. I appeal to the medical fraternity, NGOs and various volunteer and social service organizations like the Lions and Rotary Clubs to join hands to sensitize the people on the causes and symptoms of cancer and on curtailing cancer. I convey my warm felicitations to Dr. T.G. Govindarajan, Chairman and Managing Director, the doctors, medical and paramedical staff of Kamakshi Memorial Hospital Private Limited, and wish Dr. Kamakshi Memorial Hospital all success.
to propose the oath of thanks on behalf of the management and staff of Dr. Kamakshi Memorial Group of Hospitals. I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to His Excellency, the Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu, who has readily consented to be the chief guest for today's function and to inaugurate the new block in spite of his tight official schedules.